Could you please shortly explain how it's done?
Okay, so first of all, we mill and we clean the surface, yeah? And then we unroll the mesh truck, and then we apply the mesh truck with a slurry seal layer, which has the extra advantages of being a stress relief layer and a water tightness layer. And then we overlay the system with asphalt.
There you go, your crack-free road is ready. Thanks a lot for answering my questions today. If you have any other questions or would like to get more information, please visit our website or contact us. We're always happy to help you and provide you the optimized solution for your asphalt reinforcement needs.